This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Power on the Swift microscope and set lamp intensity to a comfortable starting level. This preserves bulb life. Once powered, choose an objective lens. Begin with 4x to locate your sample, because wide fields reduce searching time. Make sure to position and clamp the slide at the stage center. This prevents drift. Next, bring the coarse focus slowly toward the slide until you see contrast. You will avoid crashing the lens by moving deliberately and watching the gap. Once the sample is roughly in view, refine focus. Use the coarse knob to approach, then switch to fine focus for crisp detail, because resolution depends on precise focal plane. Simultaneously, adjust the condenser height and iris diaphragm to improve contrast. This controls numerical aperture and light cone. If you need higher magnification, change objectives carefully and recenter the field. For 100x, apply immersion oil sparingly on the cover slip and lower the objective. You finish by documenting settings, objective, condenser position, iris aperture, and light percent, so you can reproduce results later. Then, clean optics. Use lens tissue and approved solvent to remove oil and debris. This preserves clarity. If images look soft or uneven, troubleshoot by realigning the condenser, confirming the stage and slide are flat, and checking for cover slip cracks. Dust on the objective or misapplied immersion oil is a common cause. Make adjustments slowly and retake images once corrected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.